Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Laura and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful bracelet. It's made with a spiral and you can customize them using different colors, using different beads, whatever it comes to your mind. This type of bracelet is perfect for the little ones. They can just chill out and make a lot of bracelets for their friends. Cut yourself 50 centimeters of thread, bend it in half like this. Now get yourself another 1 meter long cord and come underneath. Loop the left strand to form like an L shape. Now take the right strand, place it over the tail like this. And with that same cord, come underneath and up through the loop. Pull to tighten and you'll have the half of a square knot. It's that simple. Let's repeat the same. Get your left strand like this, fold it over the two central cords, take the other over this tail, and now go underneath and go up through the loop we have on the left. Pull to tighten and all done. So be sure you measure your wrist because you have to repeat this knot as much as you need to cover the half of your wrist, more or less. Just keep in mind the measure of your bead together to take it away from what you need. For example, my wrist is 15 centimeters long. My 3 beads together measures 2 centimeters. So this means I have to make 6.5 centimeters of these knots. So between 5 and 10 knots before you started, you will start seeing this spiral. You can make it with different colors, or just make it plain, as you want. And very simple, just repeat the same knot until you get the measure you need. Now insert 3 beads with different sizes, for example like this. And all you have to do is just to split these cords again and start making these knots again. Remember, just make an L shape, placing the tail over the 2 center cords, take the other down like this, go underneath, and up through that loop we have on the left. Pull to tighten and repeat. Remember, you have to make as many knots as you made in the other side, just to give it the same length. Once you are done, what we are going to do is to make these spirals more or less the same. For that, we are going to twist it like this, just a little bit in both sides. Twist, 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 very easy. And now you have to cut the excessive cord you have and burn the tail a little bit to melt it. When we melt this kind of cord, we seal the bracelet so it's not get undone when we use it. Now fold your bracelet over like this. You can use some tape to fix it to the table. And cut yourself 20 centimeters of wax cord. Now come underneath like this. Make again this L shape. Place the other tail over the one we just moved. Come underneath again and up through the loop. And now we are going to repeat the same with the other side. So take the right cord. This time we take it to the left. Now take the left cord over this one, come underneath and up through the loop. This is a square knot. You have to repeat this square knot 2 times more. What we are doing here is a knot which can be moved, so we can make our bracelet adjustable. So when you are done, cut the excessive cord you have, burn a little bit the tails. And my plan for those cords we have at the end is very simple. We are gonna just to make a simple knot, and that's it. This bracelet is ready, guys. Just try to make those knots even, more or less, at the same length. And burn the tails, of course. This is it, all done. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the bell to be notified every time I post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember, stay beautiful, smile and be very, very happy.